Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. I have to do a voiceover at the beginning of my video because I didn't realize my audio was not working. Well, later on you will hear me talking during the video. So I'm making Liberian shortbread, but I'm going to show you a simple way. Normally we take this solid butter and we mix it with the flour and we rub it with our hands, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with melted butter and still get the perfect results. So I'm using 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 egg, a teaspoon nutmeg grated, a stick of butter, which is half a cup, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2/3 cup milk. You can also use water if you don't have milk, a teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons sugar. You can make it less if you don't like sugar. You can bake at 345 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. So during the video, watch it and try it and see if you still want to keep it the same way where you rub it. But this is very simple. You can even teach your kids how to do this and they don't have to keep rubbing it with their hands. Anyway, let's start the video and see how I do my Liberian shortbread with melted butter. And if you try it, let me know what you think. Okay, in my bowl, I'm going to put the flour, the nutmeg, salt, sugar, baking powder, and I'm going to mix that. Okay, I'm going to mix it up. And I want to melt my butter a little bit. Okay, now don't let it be boiling hot, just melt it. So I'm going to put it in my flour. And my mixture. So my oven preheated to 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let me put this aside and I'm going to spray. I took a smaller pan. That other one will be too big for just 2 cups of flour. And this is just for me, so. You want the top to be rough, so you use your fork to spread it out. Now I'm going to put it in my oven. I had it in my oven for 45 minutes. So let me get a knife and I'm going to cut it. I had used my skewer and it came out clean, so I know it was ready. It's hot. So this is what the middle looks like. And I'm just going to put some of my butter. And I'm going to be having it with my cup of coffee. So that's my shortbread. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button